Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So a few months ago I did this video where I reviewed some of the products Dr. Dre recommended. So today I thought I will do a video where I will review some products Hyram recommended. I love watching his videos. I think he's amazing. I love learning from him. So I thought I will do this video just to share my thoughts on these products that he recommended. So Hyram was recommending this brand a lot. This brand name is iUnik. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. This is their Centella Calming Gel Cream. This is a dual function cream. This is brightening and wrinkle care. This cream is artificial fragrance free, alcohol free. If you care about parabens and silicones, this is paraben free, but this is not silicone free. They used 3 types of different silicone in this. This is fungal acne safe. It's really hard to find a fungal acne safe moisturizer. This is fungal acne safe, and if I'm not wrong, iUnik is cruelty free, which is great. So they added some great ingredients in this. Centella leaf water 70%, tea tree leaf water 10%. Not only they added Centella leaf water in this, they also added Centella leaf extract, licorice root extract. All these ingredients are great if you have acne or acne scars. This will be great for you if you have acne. I highly recommend you to try this. This also has niacinamide in it. Niacinamide is great. It's anti-aging. It's brightening. If your moisture barrier is disturbed, it's great for that. This also has adenosine, which is anti-aging. It's great. Also, licorice root extract also brighten up your complexion. It's great for that as well. And one ingredient that they added in this that can be problematic if your skin is sensitive, they added bergamot fruit oil in this. It's really down in the ingredient list, but it's there. If your skin is really sensitive, definitely avoid this. I personally did not experience any irritation with this. Even when I over exfoliated my face, I used this and this did not irritate my skin more. It was actually really calming. So chances of irritation are really low, but if your skin is like really sensitive, definitely avoid this. If you have oily skin, I will definitely recommend you to give this moisturizer a try. I think you will really enjoy this. This is extremely lightweight, but this is moisturizing and hydrating. If you live in a colder country, this is for oily skin. If you live in a hot and humid country, if you have combination skin, I think you will really enjoy this. This is not for dry skin. This is not hydrating and moisturizing enough for dry skin, so I won't recommend it to people with dry skin. But if you have acne prone skin and oily skin, I think you will really enjoy this. This is a great moisturizer. Price is only $8 and 60 ml product. I think the price is great. So yeah, definitely give this a try. My experience with this moisturizer was great. Another product that Hyram recommended from this same brand, this is iUnik Black Snail Restore Serum. This is also a dual function serum, dual function product, brightening and wrinkle care. This serum is fragrance free, alcohol free, essential oil free. If you care about parabens and silicones, this is paraben free and silicone free as well. This is not fungal acne safe, and iUnik is cruelty free if I'm not wrong. So they added 70% black snail extract in this, which is great. It's anti-aging, it's brightening. They also added licorice root extract in this. Licorice root extract is brightening. It also helps with acne bacteria. This also has niacinamide in it. Niacinamide is anti-aging, brightening. It helps if your moisture barrier is disturbed. They also added adenosine, which is great, it's anti-aging. They also added Centella extract, Centella leaf water in this. Both helps with acne and acne scars, and both are really calming and soothing. They also added sodium hyaluronate in this. The ingredient list is just amazing. And I did saw that brightening effect when I was using this serum. You know, when you use products and they claim it's brightening, but you don't really see that brightening effect. I saw that brightening effect when I was using this serum. This serum is extremely lightweight. If you have combination skin or oily skin, I think you will really enjoy this. This is not heavy at all, and it'll leave that really beautiful glow behind. I think you will really enjoy it if you have oily or combination skin. If you have dry skin and you use a lot of products, then you can definitely use this as well. But this is more for oily and combination skin. When my moisture barrier was disturbed, and I was using this was hurting my face really bad. So if you have sensitive skin, I will definitely recommend you to avoid this. because this was irritating my face really bad. So yeah, if you have sensitive skin, definitely avoid this. But yes, this is a great serum and price is very reasonable, $16, and this is 50 ml product. I did a review of both of these products before. If you want to watch that longer video, I will leave the link in the description. Another product that Hyram recommended and I really enjoyed using it. This is Midnight Blue Youth Activating Drop. This is from this brand name Klairs. This is fragrance free, alcohol free, essential oil free. If you care about parabens and silicons, this is paraben free and silicone free as well. This is not fungal acne safe, and if I'm not wrong, Klairs is cruelty free. So this is just anti-aging drops. This don't really add any hydration into your skin. These are just anti-aging drops. They added some peptides in this, and adenosine is also there. You guys, this was my first time using a product that actually give you this blurry effect. It's like you have this blurry filter on your face. It literally hide everything. It was just so crazy that this do work. I don't know how to explain. If you have wrinkles, this do hide everything. This do work, but we don't have long enough research about EGF. We don't know, after using this product for 20 years, we don't know if it will cause cancer or other skin related problems. We just don't have long enough data. And if you have cancer in your family, definitely avoid this. I loved using this so much and I was so ready to buy it again, but then I did my research and I got really scared and I decided not to buy it again. But we don't have long enough research about EGF. We don't know, after using this product for 20 years, if it will cause cancer or other skin related problems. That's why I decided not to purchase this again. If you still want to try this product, if you have dry skin, combination skin, oily skin, I think everybody can use this product because this don't really add anything. It literally feels like water on your skin, but it do work. That blurry effect was so visible for me. This is pricey though. Price was $25 and 20 ml product, definitely a little on the expensive side. But yeah, I loved using this. I really enjoyed using this. I did a review of this product before. If you guys want to watch that video, I will leave the link in the description. That video is more in detail. Another product that Hyram recommended, and I recently purchased this. This is from this brand name Missha. This is their Time Revolution, the first treatment essence. I was so excited to try this because so many YouTubers were recommending this. I finally got a chance to purchase this. This essence is fragrance free, alcohol free, essential oil free. If you care about parabens and silicons, this is paraben free and silicone free as well. This is fungal acne safe. And if I'm not wrong, Missha is not cruelty free. So they added some great ingredients in this. They added some fermented ingredients in this. What are fermented ingredients? So these brands make ingredients smaller in size so they can penetrate deeper into our skin and work. And the ingredient list is just amazing, you guys. So they added niacinamide in this. Niacinamide is brightening, anti-aging. They also added adenosine. They also added pearl powder in this. I googled what pearl powder is. Pearl powder is great for brightening. They also added glycerine, ceramide. This also has rice extract in it. Rice extract is great. It's brightening. Every time I use a product which has a rice extract in it, whenever I use that product after shaving, it always burned my face for a few seconds. I didn't experience that burning with this product, but it's been like 4 or 5 days since I started using this. I will definitely review this when I will finish this bottle. I will definitely review this on my channel. The price was $45 or $48, and this is 150 ml product. Also, I love the glass bottle. I don't know, it just feels so bougie. I really like it. Hyram did this video where he recommended products for oily skin. He recommended this sunscreen. This was my first time trying a Korean sunscreen. There is no going back, you guys. I use Japanese and Korean sunscreens now and I love them. This is my holy grail sunscreen. I love it with my whole heart. This is from this brand name Purito. Comfy Water Sunblock SPF 50 plus PA++++. This is a physical sunscreen, zinc and titanium dioxide. This sunscreen is fragrance-free, alcohol-free, essential oil-free. If you care about parabens and silicones, this is paraben-free and silicone-free as well. This is not fungal acne safe. And if I'm not wrong, Purito is cruelty-free. I was watching Dr. Dre reviewing this sunscreen, and she said in her video that if you have fungal acne, you can use this. This won't trigger your fungal acne. So she's a dermatologist, of course. If you have fungal acne, maybe give it a try. But there are some ingredients in this that can be problematic if you have fungal acne problem. So they added some calming, anti-aging, brightening ingredients in this. This has niacinamide, adenosine, metacasicide, glycerine. The ingredient list is great. All the preservatives are really low in the ingredient list. If you have sensitive skin, there are very low chances that this will irritate your skin. This don't burn your eyes or burn around your mouth. It's extremely gentle. So there are very low chances that this will irritate your skin. It do leave a little white cast. It's not too bad, but it do leave a little white cast. It have that beautifying effect, but if you have darker complexion, then the white cast will be noticeable on your skin. Again, it's not too bad. I like to reapply sunscreen. When I reapply it, then the white cast become a little more noticeable, but still it's not that bad. A physical sunscreen that don't leave that bad white cast, I love it. This is my holy grail sunscreen. I love it with my whole heart, and I will definitely recommend you to give it a try. If you have oily skin, I think you will love it. If you have combination skin, I think you can use it as well. In my experience, this don't peel, but if you use an oil-based moisturizer under this, then it peels really bad. And I asked my mother to try it under makeup, and she tried it multiple times, and she never complained that it's flaky or it's moving her makeup. So I think it sits really well under makeup. And this is 70% water-based formula. It's extremely lightweight. It's not water and sweat resistant. So if you sweat a lot or if you are doing outdoor activities, I won't recommend you to try this or rely on this. This is not sweat and water resistant. Right when you sweat, it's gone. It's extremely lightweight. Great for oily skin and combination skin. If you want to watch a longer review, I reviewed this before on my channel. I will leave the link in the description. So yeah, these were the Hyram recommended products that I tried. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.